Hi, I'm Zoe Caldwell, and this is a short tutorial on running a search. Here I've got some terms and connectors typed in my search bar. I've got the word discret with an exclamation point. That exclamation point is my root expander. It's going to catch any word with these letters as the starting word and any ending. So discretion, discretionary, and I'm looking for that in the same paragraph. That's what /p means, same paragraph as trust. Discretion or discretionary in the same paragraph as trust. And I also want in my document Medicaid eligibility. Now that's a phrase. It must be stuck together like glue because I've put quotes around it with no changes. All right, let's go ahead and run the search and take a look at the cases that pop up. We've got a list of 332 cases here, and I'm going to move over to my Ravel view and take a quick peek to see what the more influential cases are from the top 75 cases of my site list. When I look at this map, I can quickly see the bigger bubbled cases. These are the cases that have more influence over the other cases. The other cases are citing to these bigger cases for the concepts that I typed in my search bar. And when I hover over there, you'll see the names of the cases starting to pop up. So I make sure to take a look at these leading cases for the issues I typed in. This time, we're going to take a look and run the search in a particular secondary source. So if I'm looking for a particular source called Modern Estate Planning, I can start typing, and Lexis is suggesting different sources to me here. I'm looking for this source book, so I'm going to come on in. And now we're in the book Modern Estate Planning. I've got a search bar here ready to search this source. So I'm going to put my terms back in, and I'm going to make it a little easier now. I just want this book to search for discret, discretionary in the same paragraph as trust. I've got two options here. I can search the table of contents, which is usually what I do first, to see if there's a whole chapter on what I've typed in. So I'm going to go ahead and run that in Modern Estate Planning and see if we get anything. When I find out we don't get any results when I look in the table of contents, then I come back and run the search in all documents. And let's see what pops up. Now I'm starting to get some pinpoints in this book that I might want to take a look at based on my terms. And I can come on in here and start taking a look at where my terms are. I've got the option to take a look at my table of contents here, or to close it and to quickly start reading my document. I can immediately jump to any of my terms by using my arrows. Now, if I hit my back browser, there's actually another option on my table of contents screen. I can actually open up any of these by hand and dive down manually. So I've got the option to open up manually as well and not run a search. Thanks. More tips like this, please go ahead and contact me at zoe.caldwell@lexisnexis.com.